We found some wood on the property, so now we're gonna go bring the tractor out. We've got a trailer for it now and go scoop it up. This is the beauty. Came with the tractor, but when we got stuck, it kind of stayed down there until I got the chains for the truck. So we brought it up today and go test it out. This morning I figured it'd be a good idea to clean the chimney. I don't know when the last time it was done, so I got this off Amazon. It's nothing special. We're gonna see how well it works. This is actually my first time ever cleaning a chimney the proper way, I guess. I've had portable wood stoves. Basically you just take the pipe off, throw it on the ground, and there goes all your grease it. So from my understanding, you just put this stuff together. And according to the ad, it'll also apparently get in here into the wood stove. Now I do have a fire going right now too. It's really small, but I don't know how else to do this. I can't let the fire go out because it'll freeze. So I think I'm just obligated to do this with the fire going. So I put a rain suit on because I know I'm going to get filthy. And then it comes with this little chuck that goes on your drill. So ours, you just spin this off, and away you go. Stuff this pole up this pipe. Well, she didn't come out the top, so I'll have to add some more. For now, on the way down. Oh, I knocked her out pretty good, I'll tell you what. Now we'll try to stuff her into the fireplace. Take off a couple of these. It's pretty painless. I should do it 2 pieces. Look at this. Works pretty good. So, I just stuff her in. It's gonna go until she don't go no more. And that seems to be about it. Oh my. Well, you know that's never been cleaned before. Wow. Wow. That's super bad. Come on, get in there. I suppose that's about it. Lots of metal, huh? The chimneys definitely need some, I might just need a new T here. So that'll do it for today's video. I just want to show you guys that we don't have a fridge. So because it's winter, we're able to utilize coolers. So we have our fridge, and along with our frozen. Basically, we just bring in the cooler during the day, and that seems to keep it cold. And then obviously the frozen stays there all the time.